Okay, on to section 4, statistical functions. This section is all about operations that you perform on numerical data. So we're going to start with our basic stats functions. These are things like max, min, average, count, sum, standard deviation, variance, percentiles. Basic stuff there, all very straightforward. Then we're going to go into some more interesting ones, the small and large functions, the rank and the percent rank functions. We'll talk about how to build random number generators with rand and rand between. I'll go into sum product, which is a pretty powerful calculation tool. Talk countif, sumif, and averageif, and then finish up with countifs, sumifs, and averageifs, which basically do the same thing except they allow for additional criteria. And then last but not least, we'll build out a demo showing you how to build a dashboard just using sumif and countifs functions. So 2 files for download as usual. We've got our PDF called Excel for Analysts, Statistical Functions, and the Excel file called Section 4, Statistical Functions. So go ahead and open those up and let's dive in.